Can I transfer my phone number to a new SIM card if my old one is unusable?
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to address an issue many of us may face. What to do if your SIM card becomes unusable, but you want to keep your phone number. The good news is, yes, you can transfer your phone number to a new SIM card. Let's dive into the process.
What does transferring a phone number mean?
First off, let's clarify what transferring a phone number entails. When you switch your SIM card, you're essentially moving your service from one physical card to another. Your phone number is linked to your account, not the SIM card itself. So, even if your old SIM card is unusable, you can still transfer your existing phone number to a new SIM card.
When can you transfer your phone number?
The key to transferring your number is that your account with your carrier must be active. If your account is closed, or if there's an outstanding balance, you might run into some difficulties. Always ensure your account is in good standing before attempting to transfer your number.
How do you transfer your phone number?
The process of transferring your phone number can vary from carrier to carrier, but generally, it involves these steps. 1. Contact your carrier. You need to inform them about your unusable SIM and your desire to transfer your number to a new SIM card. 2. Obtain a new SIM. Your carrier will provide you with a new SIM card. Sometimes, they might ship it to your address. 3. Activate your new SIM. After receiving the new SIM card, you'll need to follow your carrier's instructions to activate it, which often involves calling an automated phone service or following steps on the carrier's website. Remember, your carrier's customer service is the best resource for the specific steps you need to follow. So, there you have it. Even if your old SIM card is unusable, you can transfer your phone number to a new SIM card, as long as your account is active. As always, if you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to reach out to your carrier's customer service for assistance. Hope this video has been helpful, and here's to staying connected.